After catching up with old friends, let's go shopping, and 10 minutes on foot will take you to Yuyuan, a bustling marketplace set in an old Chinese neighborhood with traditional architecture and shops selling everything from dumplings to dumbbells. So this is where you can walk back in time to the old Shanghai. Oh yeah. Since this is a popular tourist attraction, it's no-brainer. You'll find lots and lots of great food from all over China. One of the most famous Shanghai street food here is steam buns called xiaolongbao. It's a dumpling filled with hot soup. Now this place is absolutely huge. You can actually spend the whole day here, and you can find absolutely everything from food to toys to cell phone accessories. But I doubt cell phone actually existed hundreds of years ago. If food doesn't interest you, it has great number of small streets and lanes where you can find local shops to buy some souvenirs. The Bazaar is famous for finding deals on antiques, arts, crafts, souvenirs, of course. But remember to always bargain and bargain hard. So good luck on finding a great deal. There's even a Starbucks here, but I really doubt it existed in the old Shanghai. But if none of this interests you, there's also a traditional Yu Garden next door, very historic. First built in 1559 during the Ming Dynasty by the governor of Sichuan, Pan Yudan, as a comfort for his father. It is considered the crown of beauty in Southeast China, offering charming and pleasant views and designated UNESCO World Heritage Site. No wonder it's very popular with both locals and tourists. It's a great place for people watching. So, if Chinese souvenir doesn't catch your eyes, maybe a nice Chinese girlfriend or wife? Good luck. Now, I have to admit, it's a little expensive to eat at the tourist bazaar. Actually, it's American price. So, if you want to eat for $1 or $2, consider eating at one of the local shops on the street corner. It's where you find street food like roasted pig feet, Chinese sausages, and other meat snacks. But this is my favorite. One of the popular things here in Shanghai is, also one of my favorite, is actually the onion pancake, which is this right here. It smells really good, and heaven on earth. I love it. If you need something more filling, don't worry. There's also a famous noodles you got to try. One of the famous noodles here is also beef noodle soup. And I have to go and try it because I love beef noodle soup in general, regardless what kind it is. It's not that expensive, like $3 US. You could get a bigger size for 50 cents more, but I'll stick with this. Let's eat. Yeah, this is really tender. I really like it, by the way. The only thing is they don't give me spoons. It's really nice. I can't complain.